So, Bilal, what should a person do if they're in a truck accident?
Yeah, so a truck accident can be very dangerous. Uh, when you say truck accident, I'm thinking you're talking about a 18-wheeler,
Okay.
huge truck, 26,000 pounds or so.
Wow.
The force that a 18-wheeler has in an accident is much harder than the force of just a regular car accident.
Jeez. Yeah.
Because the damage equals the mass of the vehicle, and it has to do with the velocity. So when the 18-wheeler weighs 5 times more than the regular car, then the impact is 5 times heavier.
Oh, man.
You know, usually when you're involved in an accident, the first thing you want to do is move your car. Hopefully your car was or is movable after an 18-wheeler accident.
Wow.
What we see most of the time is that anyone involved in a 18-wheeler accident has sustained total damage to their car. We see that a lot of times. If you're able to move your car after being in an 18-wheeler accident, I definitely recommend to do so that you're not in the way of oncoming traffic and that you don't sustain further accident or injury.
Wow.
And the next thing to do is to take photographs of the damage to your vehicle and to the vehicle of the 18-wheeler.
Okay.
Because the photographs tell a story about how the incident occurred and how bad of an impact it was. The more of an impact, the more likely it is that you sustained a personal injury from the 18-wheeler accident.
Wow.
The next thing after taking photographs is if you've sustained an injury, you definitely want to call the police. If they come to the scene, they'll take the statements of all the drivers, any eyewitnesses, and then they'll write a police report.
Okay.
We would get the police report, and then it would talk about all the statements of everyone involved in the accident, any injuries that were reported in the accident, and who was at fault for the accident. So that would really help in the case.
Yeah.
And if you sustained injury, you should seek immediate medical attention to make sure that you're in a stable condition, that you haven't sustained internal bleeding, that you don't have fractures, and then you'll likely be invited by the hospital to consult with your primary care physician.
Okay.
Or your attorney can also recommend a doctor to you if you don't have one.